Today, 30 people from Lendlease and 2 people from Casello came to Sages Cottage to do volunteering work.
I think it's great for companies to do volunteer and team building days. It's something different. So we all work together every day in the office, but just to get to know people on a more personal level and have some fun out and about.
Today at Sages Cottage, we built a shelter for the miniature horses. We undertook some conservation work and we did some guttering. Part of Lendlease's core values is to build communities, enrich lives and leave a legacy, and that's part of what we've done today at Sages Cottage. For me personally, it was a really rewarding day being able to see the work that we're able to get done and provide for Sages Cottage.
It's been a great experience and really enjoyed the day being involved in doing what we did today. Fantastic.
On behalf of everyone at Willara, a huge thank you to the Lendlease team for coming down today and volunteering at Sages Cottage Farm. Together we are building stronger communities.